Hey guys, this is Mr. K. This is the instruction video that's going to show you guys how to put together our box for our kinetic sculpture kit. This at the end should look like this, where you have a box with gear inside of it that works with a simple mechanism. But let's get to this. In your kit, you're going to find one piece of 4x12 cardboard, two pieces of 4x4 cardboard, a wooden stick, a cardboard with 4 circles pre-drawn, okay, and a plastic straw. Okay, those are the items that are going to help you put this together. Okay, so let's get over this and show you guys how to work with this. Actually, we need to show you guys what you guys need to put it together. You guys are gonna need a ruler. In this situation, I'm going to use a Sharpie for measurements, hot glue gun, and a blade of exact zero. You guys maybe also scissors. Okay. Again, if you guys need any of those, feel free to ask for those. And let me show you guys how to put it together. First, you want to work with this piece. This is the piece that we're going to work to make our box. So it's 12 inches long. I need to turn this in 3 walls. So I'm going to measure and mark every 4 inches. 4, 8, draw a straight line down. 1 and 2. Now I'm going to use my X-Acto blade to cut it through, but not all the way through. So I'm going to cut once and twice. Thanks to this, those parts over here are weaker. I can bend it way easily, and I have this done here. Neat. So, if you guys remember, this together gonna make a nice cool box. But before we're gonna cut, let's do some measurements. Let's put this part aside, and on those 2 pieces of 4x4 cardboard, I want you guys to measure and mark the exact middle. The way you guys can do this is take the ruler. Well, you guys know it's 4x4, so the middle of 4 is going to be 2. So I'm going to mark 2 inches. 2 inches here. Nice. And then 2 inches over here. Right? So if I'm going to draw a line here, and then draw a line here, the middle is the X. So you want to do the same on both of those. Two is over here. Sorry, I done goofed. Okay, so 2 is over here. Now, take your stick, which is a shish kebab stick. It has a sharp tip. Don't do anything silly with this. Take a piece of paper and punch a hole through it. So a nice cool hole. Same here. Nice. Okay? As long as you can do this, that's great. Moving on, let's bring back the box. Let's assemble the box. These gonna be your sides. So I'm gonna take my hot glue gun, and by now you guys probably know how to do this. So I'm gonna speed up this video so you guys can, put this together, and then I'll meet you when you guys put your box together. See you in a second. Okay guys, so my box is put together. It's nice and sturdy. Okay, let's double check this. So those two walls are your sides. And this, if I put it here, should go all the way through. Nice. And I can spin it. Yay! Neato. So now, while this is in, we need to make a top for this. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to measure on the top, on the side, 2 inches. 2 inches here. You can also match the line. And 2 inches here. So now those 2 dots, I'll connect them. Okay. And this shows me exactly, I place this here. This line shows me exactly where the stick is. You guys can see the matches? Great. That's supposed to work like that. So we have one more hole to go. Okay? So we're going to take out the stick. So next thing is this. On the top, on the middle. So again, mark the middle. You have 4 inches here. I'll take the Sharpie. That's my middle, right on the line. Okay. I'll take my stick and poke another hole. Nice. Okay. So my hole over here needs to be a little bit bigger. So conveniently, you can take a pencil and make it a little bigger. Okay, so now this hole is a little bit bigger. But Mr. K, why is it bigger? Because it needs to fit more than just a wooden stick. So this is where your straw comes in. Your straw should fit on the top, which does perfectly, and go in the middle. The reason why is because the straw gonna hold your stick. So when I put this stick through, the straw should be just poink. Perfect. Okay? Nice. So now, what you guys need to do, let me move this aside. Take your hot glue gun, make sure that it's on low. You guys have to glue this straw in place. So you want a tiny bit of the straw to stick out on the bottom like this. Okay? Don't put any glue on the inside, put the glue only on the outside. You don't need much. If the glue gun will be a little bit too hot, it could melt the straw. Okay? Something like this. Okay? You can now chop off a little bit with your scissors. I want to say this much. Okay? And now check this out. I'll take my other wooden dial, put it inside. You see? This holds my other dial. Okay? So, this is what you should guys have as a first part of this project. In the second video, I'm going to show you guys how to cut those guys out and place the gears. Thank you. I'll see you later.